So hi everyone, this is JC Font Studio again, and I just wanted to take a moment to talk to all of you and ask for your support because the waiting time is finally over. Yes, you heard it right. It's over. You know what? Because tomorrow is a day that I will apply for monetization on my YouTube channel. So it's a long journey filled with the challenges, lessons, and hard work. There were moments when I felt discouraged, but I never give up because of all of you who continue to watch, like, comment, and support my content. So today I'm asking for your prayers, encouragement, and full support as I take this important step again, and I truly hope that YouTube will grant my application and give me another chance to be monetized. So this channel is not just a hobby for me. It's something I have worked hard and has been a big part of my life. You can honestly say that this is my bread and butter, and I am determined to continue creating better content for all of you. So if my channel gets monetized again, you will start seeing more of me in my videos, and you get to know the person behind JC's Point Studio. So I will also bring fresh content, new edits, lifestyle videos, creative ideas, and most importantly, more authentic. That comes straight from my heart. So this new chapter is not only about monetization, but it's about growth, learning, and build a strong community together. And honestly, this milestone is not just mine, it's ours. Because what you support, your views, your comments, your shares, and your encouragement, I would have done it in this far. This is your shine as well. And thank you for believing in me, for staying with JC Fun Studio through every challenge, in every victory. So please continue supporting the channel, and let's hope for good news very soon. So this is JC Fun Studio, and together we're just getting started. See you in the next video. Baboosh.